Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, remove the latches on the side cover to lift it off the system. Find and unlatch the air shroud to remove it. Identify the power supply unit and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the PSU cover off the part. Disconnect the cables and remove the latch. Remove the 4 screws and lift the PSU out of the system. To reinstall the power supply unit, place it back in the system and install the 4 screws. Relatch and reconnect the cables. Place the PSU cover in the system and tighten the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables and install the latch. Plug in the cables. Relatch the air shroud. Relatch the side cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.